In AutoCAD, you can create arcs in several ways. From the Home ribbon, Draw panel, expand the arc drop-down to access the variety of methods available to create an arc. By default, the three-point method is selected. You can choose from the other methods by specifying various combinations of center, endpoint, start point, radius, angle, chord length, and direction values. Note that the continue method is the only one that does not specify 3 points, and instead an arc is created tangent to the last line or arc drawn. Once you specify an option from the arc dropdown, it will become the default selected option for the arc command. From the menu, select Start Center, Angle. Notice the arc command displays the Start Center Angle option. Now select 3-point from the arc menu. The command prompts you to specify a start point for the arc. Click once in the drawing area to specify the first point. Click a second time to specify the second point. Finally, specify the end point of the arc. Begin the arc 3-point command again. Notice that the dynamic input tooltip prompt ends with the word "or" and a small down arrow. On your keyboard, press the down arrow key. An option to select a center point displays. Select this option, and then pick in the drawing area to specify a center point for a new arc. Next, specify the start point of the arc. Before specifying the end point, press the down arrow again. Notice you can now choose to complete the arc based on angle or chord length. Click Chord Length. The length of the chord of the arc determines the included angle. Click a point to create the arc. Arcs are one of the most frequently used geometry in AutoCAD drawings for creating curves. With so many options available for arc creation, you can choose the best method that suits your workflows.